Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very interesting product to share with you guys, and it is the Saborino face mask. Now I know these products have been around for some time now, and they actually seem to be pretty popular since they are coming up with newer varieties. But these are the ones that I bought, and these I think are the more famous ones, are the original ones. So these are the morning mask and this is the night mask. So you might be wondering what is so special about these masks. These masks are so special and so popular because you only need to leave it on your face for a minute, and they claim to be able to replace your entire skincare routine. So each type of mask does different things. So I'm going to show you, so in this video I'm also going to show you how I use them and actually how I really feel about them throughout the day. So stay tuned for that. But now I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what both these masks do. So this is the morning mask, and this claims to be able to do three things: cleanse your face, acts as your skincare, and primes your face for makeup. So it also says in the last step there's a primer. I've not tried to use this without washing my face in the morning before, but for the sake of this video I did try and see how I like using this as a cleanser. How this works is you just take it out, and it's kind of like wet wipes, you know, the packaging is like wet wipes. You take out the mask and you leave it on your face 1 minute, and then you fold it and then you tap it on your face so that the essence will be absorbed. Now the second one is the night mask, and this one, the same thing, it's like a wet wipes. You just take out a mask, and this claims to be able to do 5 things. I believe it is tone, essence, cream, mask, and something else. I'll list it below what it claims to be able to do. So same thing, you leave it on your face for only 60 seconds and then you fold it and tap the remaining essence to your face. So I'm going to show you now how I use both of these products. So let's move on to the bathroom. Okay, so now I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to put the face mask on, and now it is currently 3 AM, so it's a very good time to use this because I want to go to sleep quickly. So I'm going to show you how I use it. Just take it out like a piece of wet tissue and take an individual mask out. I think it's pretty hygienic because when you take out the top mask, you don't touch the ones at the bottom, so it's fine if anyone is worried about hygiene. I really don't think it's a big issue with this mask. And then I'm just going to leave it on my face, stretch it out for a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it on. So I wanted to try using the night mask first because the morning mask claims that it's able to cleanse your face, and I just wanted to try with their own products how well the morning mask can clean the remaining products off my face. So now that I put this on, I actually feel pretty okay. It's not giving me any funny sensations. Previously I tried using the night mask. I was also filming for this video and I tried using the night mask. I actually felt a lot of irritation around my face, and I think because that time my skin was extra dry. Today feels totally fine. One thing I really like about the mask is also the smell of the mask. I think this mask actually smells pretty nice. I guess it smells here, it smells of like a lavender, I don't know what's this. Is this a chamomile maybe? An orange. It smells pretty good. And yep. Okay, so 1 minute is over. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to follow the instructions very strictly, but normally I do leave it on for a little bit longer just because I feel like it's quite a waste to just leave it on for 1 minute. So with this remaining mask, what you're supposed to do is tap, tap, tap into your face. So I'm just going to do that. Tap around. Oh, I can feel the irritation over here. As you can see over here, it's getting a little bit red. And I'm also going to bring this down to my neck. And now also on my legs. So yeah, I just use this and then wipe it because I don't want to waste the essence. So I'm just going to show you, right, if I take this and I squeeze it, there's still so much essence left. And yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't like to use a mask. I actually find masks very wasteful. Now I'm done and I'm going to leave it overnight, and then I will check back in tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning we're going to continue with the morning mask. So hi everyone, it's the morning now and I've left this on my face for the night, and now it's feeling pretty okay. Actually, I don't feel oily. I also don't feel tight and dry. It feels very normal. So now, rather than wash my face, I'm going to use this morning mask straight away because this claims that it can cleanse your skin. So
what I normally do when I use this is actually I do go ahead and use the cleanser first before I put this mask. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to try their claim. I'm pretty skeptical that this is going to do anything to clean my face. Okay, so I'll leave it about a minute now from now. Okay, what I can feel about this is that it's definitely much more cooling and refreshing than the night mask. It actually has this kind of menthol feeling. So I assume that people who have sensitive skin won't particularly like this. Maybe it might irritate your skin a little bit because it has menthol in it, and that's actually one of the ingredients in this packet. For the smell wise, I smell somehow like, it smells very familiar, but I can't really pinpoint what exactly it smells like. It smells like one of those like medicated oil too, I think. Yeah, it definitely does smell like one of those medicated oil. Based on my past experience, I don't really enjoy using the morning mask because it is so sticky afterwards. And now that I've never washed my face, I think it's gonna be even worse. So I'm just gonna try it for like half a day, and then if it's like, you know, too unbearable, I'll probably wash my face and show you guys along the way how my face looks like. Okay, so it's been a minute. I'm gonna take it out, and the same as with yesterday's night mask, you're supposed to fold it up and pat the remaining essence on your face. So yep, just as I remember very thickly. Even the essence on my hand, I feel like it's kind of gross, so to not wash my face before I do this, it's like ew. I did get rid of the crusties under my eyes though. So yeah, I just tap it in a bit of my neck. I'll show you guys again. The morning mask has a lot of essence. I think even more than the night mask. So again, like what I was saying yesterday, it's kind of wasteful to me to have so much essence left. Like, what am I going to do with all this essence? If it was in a bottle, I wouldn't have poured out so much. So this is B now. I'm gonna leave the house soon and update you guys along the way. So see you. So it's about 20 minutes since I put on the mask, and I'm taking this video 20 minutes after because it is just that unbearable. It is super sticky. Can you see, like, it has not even absorbed in? It's still like on the surface of my skin, and it's really uncomfortable. So yeah, I'll probably wash it after my spin class. I cannot imagine putting foundation and sunscreen on top of this. I actually take the edible sunscreen today because this is really uncomfortable. So what I'm gonna do to test out if the mask is how the mask feels after I wash my face. I'm gonna wash my face now, and then I'm gonna put a second mask over it. I just want to show you what's the difference, you know, if you actually wash your face, so you don't feel like so bad. So yep, I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna put on my mask. I'm gonna use a cotton pad and remove a little bit of makeup over here, so just hold on. This is a very unflattering angle, but this is just to show how I'm going to test out this primer. One, I'm gonna dot here, and now that it's dried up a little bit, I'm gonna dot here and see if it makes a difference. I mean, I'm gonna update on how this primer works, but in the meantime, let's get back to the mask. And I realized that even after I wash my face and I put the mask, my face is still feeling extremely sticky and very uncomfortably sticky. So I didn't use anything after I used the mask. So I didn't put like sunscreen, I didn't put any other product. I just wash my face with soap and then I put the product on, and I still feel it's so sticky, and it makes my face have this glow that I don't like because it makes me look very sweaty. It's not like that nice kind of glow. It's really like a ew, and I feel so ew. If anybody touches my face, they'll also be like yucks. And it's to the point, right? If I touch my face like this, I can feel it on my hands. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of this morning mask. It's currently 8 PM and I'm back in my house, so we're going to take a look at the concealer. Yeah, but it is a test for the primer. So yeah, this side I didn't put primer, this side there's primer. So if you take a closer look, and I'm going to look in the mirror here, I don't know if you can tell, but if I talk like this, there is definitely more product in the crease over here as compared to here. So I guess there is a difference. The primer does work. But another thing I noticed is that over here, there's some parts of my mascara that has transferred, while over here there isn't any mascara that transferred. So Is it a significant difference? I actually had to resist the urge the entire day, the entire time, to like rub out this makeup in my creases. So I didn't rub on it. This is literally like what it looks like. Let's look at eyebrow. Oh, the eyebrow also. Did it fade? The end of my eyebrow has also faded a little bit, and I think it's because this primer is kind of oily and wet, so it doesn't help the makeups, all this stuff like pencils stay on that long. To be fair, most people will powder their face, so I didn't powder my face. This is literally just a primer. And actually, I have dry skin, so I already have dry skin, yet I'm feeling like this is a little bit too sticky for me.
Hi guys, I'm back, and now I'm going to just share my concluding thoughts on these masks. So as you can see, after trying both these masks, I actually really don't like the morning mask. I think it is too sticky, and the cleansing part, I'm not very sure if they really meant for you to not wash your face before using this. Because the instructions are not clear, I also cannot say, are you supposed to wash your face? Maybe you really are supposed to wash your face, but it doesn't say in the instruction, it just says you take it out and then put it on your face. So I'm not sure about this. I don't like the texture of this. Even after washing my face, I still feel that it's a little bit too sticky for my liking. I rather just use my normal skincare products. And to be honest, my normal skincare products are actually, I think, faster than this, because I just put my toner in a spray bottle and I spray on my face, and then I have a moisturizer which I also just slap on, and after that I use my sunscreen, which this doesn't contain, so you still have to use sunscreen on top of this. But what I did notice with this is that it does kind of help with the makeup. Because I don't put foundation on my entire face due to the COVID and wearing masks and all that, so I'm not very sure how the effect will be like, but I don't think I would like the feeling either, because this is really too sticky, and to pour foundation out on top of that is too much. Now, but moving on to the night mask, I must say I really like this. I feel that it's super convenient. Because my night routine is much longer, I actually think that this really does just shorten everything to a single step. And yeah, I feel this is moisturizing enough for me in the nighttime. My skin can get pretty flaky sometimes if I don't use products that are moisturizing enough. But what I think of this at the end of the day is that even though I really like it and I think it's convenient, for once in a while I would not use this to replace my entire skincare routine, just because it's lacking a lot of specific actives that I use. So I think this is good for like once in a while when you're really feeling lazy, but not all the time. The other downside with these two is that of course it is very wasteful, because it's one-time use rather than, you know, having a product where you can just like scoop out and then you basically use the container multiple times. This one, every time you use the sheet mask, you're throwing away, especially if you're going to use both of them at the same time. So another thing to consider with this is the cost of the mask. So each pack is about, actually I think each pack is less than $20 now. They're always on sale. I believe they're about $19 per pack. And even though you would think like, okay, $19, you could just buy like a moisturizer which maybe you could use for 3 months, but if you think about it, it's pretty cheap considering how many things that you can do. This comes with 28 pieces and this comes with 32 pieces. I actually think these are really worth the money for the amount of things that they do. So that's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions on what I should try, also please let me know, because I always like to try new stuff, especially like when they have like gigantic claims. I actually do have something that I bought. There's this fat burning device, like this small fat burning device that I've ordered off Kickstarter. I'm still waiting for it to come. It was supposed to come like in January, but they keep delaying it. I hope it's not a scam. If it's not a scam, I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know how it turns out. So I will see you next time. Bye!